O'Rourke & Sons has been successful in the siding, custom windows, and custom doors business since 1949. We specialize in custom-made replacement double-hung windows, bow windows, bay windows, and casement windows. These are available with the latest glazing technology. We also install patio enclosures and patio doors. At O'Rourke & Sons, we do the job right the first time. We have built a reputation on our high standard of quality products and workmanship. Our customers' satisfaction is important to us and to our continued success. O'Rourke & Sons, 518-631-3068.